Alrighty, and I'm back to recap the rest of the week following Wednesday's video and the trades that I took Thursday and Friday, as well as sharing what I have on my watch list for this week, or at least going into tomorrow. So Thursday, I took a trade on SIDU right in the morning. I wanted to continue testing this breakouts of the mid fives. I was showing some strength right out the open, and it ultimately proved to not be the day for continuation of the breakouts. So I took my loss, pretty much the only trade that I took on Thursday. And at the moment, I'm currently still watching the stock as it is still holding up above the fours, which is a big support area that we have. So at the moment, I don't have a trade plan on it. I want to see if it continues to break down. I'll probably take a reversal, bounce first, green day trade on it. If it continues to hold, then this is going to be a great indicator that this wants to continue running. And if it does break out, and we can definitely see, I can definitely see SIDU going into the 6, 7, and even $8 area before breaking back down. So I want to keep this on watch to see what it does this upcoming week. But at the moment, no more trades. I did have some great trades earlier in the week on SIDU. It was probably my biggest moneymaker on Tuesday or Wednesday. So that's that. My other trades were on GPUS on Friday. So this stock came from the high teen cent area, and it's been having some interesting fluctuations in price. I was also going for this breakouts of the 39.40 cent area. So as you can see here on Friday, it almost tested that 40 cent area, and it was crapping out. This doesn't move as quick as you would think for a stock that is trading at 30 cents. Usually these tend to have some more just explosive moves. It does have to the downside, it does have some kind of rugged pulls, but for the risk that I had, it was nothing crazy. So I tried on three separate occasions on this one, being a little bit, I don't want to say stubborn, but just sticking to what could be a good plan on this, of it breaking out of the 40 cent area. Ultimately, again, it proved that this was just not the day. Same as with SIDU, I want to continue watching this, because if this continues to hold the 30 cent area, especially above 35 cents, I'm still going to be very interested in playing this for the breakout again of that 40 cents area. And if this breaks out of that 40 cents area, the target price, at least for my trade, I think this can definitely go into the 50 cents. Into the 50 cent area. So that would be my goals. If I get in from the 30s, selling into the mid to high 40s to play it safe. Again, considering this continues running, if it ends up crapping out, I probably would not watch this let's see. I don't want to rule that out just yet. But yeah, if it breaks down, maybe a bounce play from the 20 cent area over here where it has some support would be something nice as well. So I'm really interested in seeing how this stock plays out, because we can have a play either again to the upside, or once it comes down off of some support area down here in the 20 cents. So those were the plays Thursday and Friday. I ended the week green, as I had some really good days Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I'm relatively small losses Thursday and Friday. So again, January is looking like it's going to be a busy month, but I don't want to speak too soon. I just let the market dictate what my trades will look like, and if opportunities are presented, at least for my style and what I like to trade. So for tomorrow, the two stocks that I have on my main watch is one GPUS. I want to see if it's holding around this area. I think tomorrow could be a day that this continues to run. So I'm going to keep this here, and here is one of my top watches. And the other one is FLYX. So this transportation company. It had some news back here. I think it had some soars 99%. They had a partnership. Where are you? Starlink. So some mentions of Starlink. Now I'm seeing Starlink dealership deal. Okay. So yeah, something with some partnership with Starlink. Those types of news, fluffy news like that tend to make stocks go wild. So this came from the $3 areas, went all the way to the 8s. This is a low float stock, smaller company. So, these tend to have some funky moves to the up and downside. So I want to be very careful with how I play this. I can definitely see this, if it's above the $7, especially it gets above 8, this going to $9, $10, $11. And then just kind of boom, having a slam down. So again, I want to be very careful with the risk that I have if I do decide to trade this. And again, considering this stays above the $6 area, as long as it's holding the support here, and especially if it breaks or gets above this $7 area rather convincingly, then I will consider this for a trade. Probably rest down here in the 6s, tighten up that risk as it goes higher. But I do expect some quicker moves because, the first day running, it was already showing some funky price action with wicks to the up and to the downside. So those are my two main watches, as well as those aerospace companies that I want to continue to have on the back end, which is SIDU, MNTS, Lunar. One stock that I do regret, I don't want to say regret either, but I should have kept on my watch list is MBY. I was watching this from back here when it was having these low volume runs, but pretty clean, just straight to the upside. Friday, as you can see, this thing broke out of that 1140 area and just never looked back. Touched all the way to $22 in aftermarket. So this was one that I was looking for that breakout, especially because of how clean this daily chart is. And I removed it because of the low volume that it was trading throughout the days. And look at that. It pretty much had a 100% run, 100% plus run on Friday. So that could have been definitely a great trade. I'm not going to say I would have taken this whole move, but I would have taken at least $2 to $4 on a trade on this one. So, again, a reminder that the market, there are plenty of opportunities in the market. It just depends where you're looking, and you have to make sure that you are staying aware and in tune with what's going on and what stocks are running. I want to end my video with that. It's a shorter video today. The way that I keep stocks on watch, I'm just looking out for things that are running large and on high volume and keeping those on watch, not letting them go, for them to potentially set up for the types of plays that I like, which is a multi-day breakout, a first green day, two main strategies for going long, and then some other variations of those. So that is it for today. Again, I'm going to continue posting this content on a weekly basis, and just keep this as a journal. Again, if anyone has any questions, thinking about how I can diversify my videos with explanations on specific things. Again, as you can see at the moment, it's still just a type of journal in which I go over certain plays that I had throughout the week, and share the watch list and what it is that I'm trading those certain stocks. So that is it for today. I'll catch you on the next one. If these trades set up for tomorrow, then if these stocks set up for tomorrow, then I'll take a trade. If not, then I'll continue to sit and wait patiently throughout the week as some opportunity is sure to be presented. All right, that is everything. Catch you on the next one. Hope you're ending your week strong. Happy Sunday and Happy New Year again. Peace.